These are my organic fertilizers. They are free and they are very easy to prepare. The first one is a version of fermented fruit juice. I just chop and drop overripe fruits here and fruit peelings. I made an opening for an easy access and it closes when you release it. Okay, the second one, rabbit's manure. I just collected them, dropped them here, added some water, and it's done. As easy as that. Okay, it looks yummy. The third one, any green materials that I have in the garden, I just collect them, drop them here, and I got that green juice. The last one, this really smells bad. Kitchen scraps. But don't worry because the plants cannot smell them. They will love this. Okay, so in organic gardening, it is important to feed your soil so that the soil will take care of your vegetables. We have rabbits here. We feed them with whatever edible leaves that we have in the garden, like this banana. So it goes like that. The garden feeds the animals, and these animals feeds the garden with their manure. So I collect them, dry them up, and use them as fertilizers. We have also chickens. Okay, these chickens are for consumption only, but they are a big help in producing manure as fertilizers. So we feed them with organic food that we have in the garden, uh, like taro leaves that we have. We cook them and give them as alternative feeds. Here they are. Okay, now let's go around the garden and see the vegetables and check if these fertilizers are effective.